The pinnacle of American iron. Is the 2026 CVO worth the premium? Stop looking at the spec sheet for a second and just look at the machine. The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of excess, engineering, and pure, unadulterated road presence. But as the gap between standard touring bikes and the CVO line narrows, the big question remains. Does this bike still justify the astronomical price tag, or are you just paying for the badge? Power that demands respect. Under the tank, the Milwaukee 8 VVT 121, or its latest iteration, remains the heartbeat of this beast. When you twist the throttle, the torque delivery is immediate and addictive. It's not about top-end speed, it's about the way this engine hauls a heavy touring chassis out of a corner with a sound that rattles your chest. Harley has refined the heat management significantly this year, a major win for riders who actually spend time in city traffic. It's smoother, it's punchier, and it feels like a refined athlete rather than a blunt instrument. Tech meets tradition. The cockpit is where the 2026 CVO truly flexes. The integration of the Skyline OS is snappier than ever, with a display clarity that finally rivals modern automotive standards. While some purists will argue that a Harley should be simple, the reality of long-distance touring is that you want your navigation, audio, and bike diagnostics to be flawless. Harley has nailed the balance here. The premium audio system, often the unsung hero of the CVO, cuts through wind noise at highway speeds with surprising depth. The ride and the reality. On the road, the suspension geometry feels dialed in. Whether you're carving through canyons or eating up interstate miles, the bike feels planted and surprisingly light once it's in motion. However, the ergonomics are still a bit to size game. If you aren't the intended demographic for these bars or seat heights, you're looking at immediate customization costs. Final verdict, the buyer's choice. The 2026 CVO is a masterpiece of paint, chrome, and performance. It is undeniably the best touring machine Harley has ever built. But if you're a rider who values function over flash, you might find the base model touring platforms offer 90% of this experience for a fraction of the cost. You buy a CVO because you want the best, the rarest, and the loudest statement on the road. Is it worth the premium? If you have to ask, you might be looking at the wrong bike. If you know, you're already at the dealership.